Good morning, everyone. So, for today's lesson on how to prepare the Aphrodisiac for enhancing sexual performance, you are going to need three main items. The first will be the pawpaw leaves and the roots. We are going to be using the pawpaw roots and leaves as the main items for this preparation. Then we are going to need some hardcore alcohol. We need to get some clear, pure whiskey or dry gin or vodka. There should be at least 45% alcohol content. You can get this almost everywhere, and you will need them. Then we are going to be needing a certain kind of pepper. It is called the West African black pepper. The botanical name is Xylopia antiopica, also called grains of Salem. Some people also call it Negro pepper. I don't know why. Maybe because it's native to West Africa. It is very, very medicinal and very, very powerful. There are so many wonderful work that it does for the body. We are going to be needing it for this elixir. If you are living in a country where you can't find this pepper, I think it may also be substituted with the regular black pepper. But if you can get this very one, it is highly recommendable. But if you can't get it in your country, just get some black pepper. So these are the three main items: pawpaw roots and leaf, the alcohol, and the black pepper. Then the second part are the boosters. These are the enzymes that are going to trigger and activate the main ingredients. For this, we can get some cola nuts or bitter cola or your regular glucose D. If you don't have bitter cola or cola nuts in your country, once again, you can get some glucose D in the chemist. If you don't have the glucose D, you can always get pear. I believe the pear, the avocado, is in every country. So you will need the seed of the avocado fruits. It is very, very medicinal and powerful. So these are the boosters that you will need. You can use any of these to add to the Aphrodisiac. Some people don't like to use the bitter cola or cola nuts. It may be too hot or bitter for them, and it contains a certain percentage of nicotine and other very active enzymes. There are some people that can't take it. So if you are that kind of person, glucose will work well for you, because glucose have the tendency of getting dissolved very fast and absorbed into the blood very, very fast. So you will need something that will take these powerful enzymes quickly into your blood for activation. Then the third part is the flavoring. To add flavor to the drink, you will need lime, lemongrass. You can add your regular lime into it, or it's best if you get some lemongrass, you chop them off and put them inside. So these are the three parts: the main ingredients, the boosters, and the flavor. So these are the items you will need. So get the items, and I will tell you how you are going to do this preparation in the second part. So take care, and see you on the other side. God bless. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West, and today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare a very simple and very powerful aphrodisiac. And this is one of my own original recipes, and I have done it a lot of time. So I would like to show you guys how to do it. So I believe by now you have familiarized yourself with the items that you will need. So the way to go is that, first of all, you need to get the pawpaw plants. You need to look for an average size pawpaw tree, Carica papaya tree. It's supposed to be like an adolescence, something that you can root from the ground. You don't need to go after the big trees because the roots will be too much for you to use, and you just have to waste the tree, except you want to create a factory load of aphrodisiac elixirs. What I have been using from time is the average pawpaw plants, the ones I can easily just root from the ground. According to the legends, you have to root the tree from the soil. The tree have to die in order for the dig to stand. So you have to follow the legend. You get the pawpaw plants, you root it. You will wash the root very well. You cut the roots from the stem. Then there are some cases you can just drop the whole root straight into the bottle. If you can't drop the whole root, you can cut them into tiny pieces and put them inside the bottle. Then the second step is to add your alcohol. When adding your alcohol, I would prefer you go for pure, clear, crystal clear alcohol, the ones you can see inside that looks like water. Don't go for colored ones. The clean ones, clear alcohol, are usually advisable, are more preferable, and dry gins are usually the best. Scotch, you can get some like that. Then you turn your alcohol inside. Then you get the black pepper. This is one of the main active ingredients, the black pepper. You get it, the West African black pepper or the regular black pepper if you can't get the West African black pepper. This one you have to pound. You get like 7 strands of it, put inside a mortar and a pestle, and then you pound it a bit slight. You don't turn it to dust, you just pound it in a way that it will break the seeds inside and it will spread out to bring out the components. You pound them, then you put them inside the bottle. Then after that, you can choose to have some cola. If you have a cola nut, bitter cola, you can pound this one as well. You can cut it into tiny pieces, but if you want to get the full effect, you also have to pound the cola, or you pound the bitter cola, or you get the seed of the avocado fruit. That is also very medicinal, also effective in curing high blood pressure and also regulating blood sugar. It's also very good for body. You can pound that seed, very, very important. You put it inside. If you, any one of these 3 things can work. There are some people that are very very intolerant to nicotine or very bitter enzymes. Some people can't eat cola, they can't eat bitter cola. I don't think they will be able to test avocado seed, which is much more bitter. Some people are like that. So if you cannot, your body can't take any of these ash components, you can get to use your regular glucose D. Glucose D is sugar, a kind of carbonated sugar that is very, very easily absorbable into the body, and it gives strength and energy. And you will need some energy for the thing you are about to do. You need the extra boost. There are other people that add energy drink to this version of the elixir, but I don't drink energy drinks. I don't recommend it. So I recommend glucose, because anybody can take glucose and there will be no side effects. So I believe glucose is a universal option that you can apply to it. So you can take like 3 or 4 tablespoons of glucose. You will add it to this elixir. It has the capacity of getting easily dissolved into the blood very, very fast. That's why they use it in the hospital and in sports, to give to athletes, to give them instant energy. So when you take this glucose and you drink that elixir, it gives you instant energy, and it helps to make your body absorb the components, the pawpaw root and the black pepper, quickly into you, and then you have extra energy to perform. Then if you want it to taste a little bit nice, you want to add flavor, you want it to scent nice to the nostrils, you can add lime to the mixture, or maybe 1 or 2 limes. But I prefer lemongrass. Lemongrass, I love the smell of lemongrass, very fresh mint smell. So you can get some lemongrass, you get the stem sides, and you pan them a little bit to bring out the flavor. Then you put the lemongrass inside the solution, into the bottle. Then after you have gotten all this in the bottle, you lock it up, you shake it properly, and then you put it in the sun to charge. You leave it in the sun for like 4 hours, especially the 12 o'clock sun. Leave it like 12 to 3. By then it has properly synthesized and everything have mixed up very well. Now it's now ready. So for application, you take 1 glass, 1 tiny glass, we call it a shot, before the time of whatever you want to do, and then you check it out. You can decide to drink it every day. Maybe you don't want to do something, you just want to have that extra boost in you, extra energy for something else. Maybe you want to go to work, or you want to do something, it's not necessary sex. You can also drink this, it will give you the extra boost that you will need for that physical work that you want to do. So this is how you can be able to prepare this very simple, powerful Aphrodisiac elixir, and I hope you will try it and tell me what you think about it. I would like to hear about your performance with it. So this is what I have for you today. Questions and comments are welcome. Like and share this video. You can also check the link downwards to join my Metaphysical Study Group. It is a WhatsApp group that it's a place where we discuss metaphysics, science, quantum physics, and African history and spirituality. You can join the group and just like and share this video. So I hope we have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye.